flavors that I like. Garlic powder, onion powder, the Trader Joe's everything but the bagel seasoning, olive oil, crushed red pepper, lemon juice. I don't have any limes, salt, pepper. I got a red onion right here. There's a small tomato I cut up in there as well, and some minced garlic. So I may do a fried egg. I am not sure, but we will see. So I'm just waiting on the bacon to get done. I want to get started on making me some coffee. And yeah, I mean, that is all that's going on over here today. Bacon getting nice and crispy in the oven. Alright, so I did decide to fry an egg. This one is mine. Garlic powder, crushed red pepper, salt and pepper. This one is my mom's, salt and pepper. My daughter didn't want an egg, and my husband's at work, so. Yep, but look at that. And it's just butter in the skillet. If you want an awesome fried egg, make sure you put some butter in the skillet. Olive oil is all well and good, but for a fried egg, you need butter. Look at that. This is gonna be delicious. All right, guys, here is my breakfast. This is how I like my avocado toast with bacon and a fried egg. So it's just wheat toast, avocado. Well, not the avocado, the what I made this morning. So here, crispy bacon that's crumbled on top, a fried egg with garlic powder, crushed red pepper, salt and pepper, and just some fruit on the side. So I'm gonna eat this and enjoy. All right, hey guys, this is what was left of the avocado. I just finished breakfast, washed up the dishes. I'm about to reheat my coffee and plop it on the couch for a bit, watch a little bit of the news. And yeah, so I'm about to put this away. So usually when I have any type of avocado guacamole left over that I make here at home, I just take a little bit of lemon juice, just a cap of lemon juice, and just pour on it, just to kind of preserve it in case I decide that I'm not gonna eat this until tomorrow. Grab a fork. And then I'm just gonna stir. Trying to do this with one hand. So I'm just gonna stir that lemon juice in. Put the top on this container and put it in the refrigerator. So again, I'll have this later for a snack if I want, or I can have more avocado toast for breakfast tomorrow. All right, guys, that is it.